Day one of deliberations ended today without a verdict in Donald Trump's hush money case.
But it did include jurors sending 2 notes to the judge, one for them to rehear key testimony from 2 main players, and the other to rehear the jury instructions.
CBS 2's Bauman here in studio now with the details for us. Allie?
Well, Christina Maurice, when the jury returns to their sequestered deliberation room tomorrow, they will receive answers to those 2 requests. They're particularly interested in rehearing testimony from former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker about a 2015 meeting at Trump Tower where Pecker pledged to be the eyes and ears of the Trump campaign. Donald Trump waves to a crowd outside Trump Tower Wednesday evening after leaving Manhattan Criminal Court following the first day of jury deliberations.
If we had a fair judge, this case would have been over a long time ago.
Judge Juan Merchan has given the jury strict instructions to set aside any opinions and bias in reaching a verdict. He laid out the 34 counts Trump is facing and showed documents related to the payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels, 11 invoices from Michael Cohen, 11 checks, 9 of them signed by Trump, and 12 entries in the Trump Organization's ledger. Prosecutors argue those were reimbursements for hush money, while the defense claims they were legal expenses.
It only takes one juror to hang a jury.
Prosecutors call these exhibits their smoking guns. One, a bank account printout showing Cohen's wire transfer to Daniels' attorney with handwriting of then Trump Organization CFO Alan Weisselberg calculating Cohen's payment. The other, a page with then Trump Organization controller Jeffrey McConney's notes on the payment.
Those pieces of evidence really took this to a different level, and I think the level of evidence is pretty strong. Whether that means a conviction, we don't know.
For a guilty verdict, the jury would have to unanimously decide Trump acted personally or with others to falsify business records and that he did so with an intent to defraud while also intending to aid or conceal another crime. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor has been in the courtroom and describes the jury's demeanor.
They have been taking notes, so much so that when the judge thanked alternate jurors today, who, by the way, are not dismissed, he noted that one of them has already gone through 3 notebooks.
Trump has pleaded not guilty and denies an affair.
Mother Teresa could not beat these charges. These charges are rigged.
And if convicted, Trump could face a sentence of probation with no jail time or up to 4 years in prison. Christina Maurice.
Thank you, Allie. For an insider's perspective on the Trump trial, check out Alice Gaynor's Reporter's Notebook. You can read her daily account on what it's like to witness these historic proceedings firsthand. That's at cbsnewyork.com. Also, be sure to stay with CBS 2 for the latest on Trump's criminal trial. We'll have live coverage on air and streaming on CBS News New York when the jury reaches a verdict.